You are welcome to Real Estate Crash Course 1.0. Thank you for making it this far. Thank you for subscribing to this course. And you can be rest assured that you are going to get value for your time and for your money. So, one thing you should try to do, cut away distraction as you'll be learning so much in this Real Estate Crash Course 1.0. So, quickly let us go through the lesson outline. We'll be having 8 modules in total. And what are we going to be looking at? Module 1, why should you get involved in real estate? Why? It is important that you know your why. It is important that you know your objective. Why am I getting involved in real estate? And the truth of the matter is, getting involved in real estate is not a matter of if or whether, it's a matter of when. Because as long as one day you intend to be a homeowner, one day you intend to invest, or maybe even to attain financial stability and attain financial freedom, real estate is an industry that you must consider. It's a must as long as you want something that is really sustainable and you can also build generational wealth and also create a legacy for your future self. So, knowing your why is very important because it is our why that determines, that drives our behavior. It begins to drive how you behave in the real estate industry. So, when you know your why, it gives you the right path to channel. What is module 2? We'll be looking at real estate cash flow quadrants. Cash flow quadrants was formulated by Robert Kiyosaki, and we'll be looking at it, how it relates to real estate, how it relates to the real estate industry. Which quadrant do you belong? If you belong to one, or maybe you have not even entered into it at all, where do you belong? And if you are already in the real estate industry, which quadrants are you? And can you even take advantage of other potentials that other quadrants has to offer you? So it is important that you know the real estate cash flow quadrant. I can tell you that other quadrants has has enormous potentials that you can take advantage of. So we'll be looking at module 3, where we shall be talking about titles and documentation in real estate. Titles and documentation in real estate. This is very crucial. This is the most basic. This is basic, this is fundamental. Many people are into real estate today. They get scammed, they get defrauded. Why? Because they know nothing about titles and documentation. And some are even ill-informed, while some are misinformed. In this in module 3, you'll be learning about titles and documentation in real estate. Module 4, we'll be looking at the 2 C's of return on investment, the 2 C's of return on investments, and how you can also take advantage of that. In module 5, we will be looking at land banking versus land flipping. I know the time may be strange to you, and why some of us we have had it. So, have you heard about it? If you have heard about it, then we'll go in depth. We'll go into it. What is the difference? How can we take advantage of it? What are the things to look out for when investing in land banking or when investing in land flipping? Module 6, we'll be looking at how to start a real estate agency company. It is something that you can even think of starting, because as long as you see that, okay, ah, these are the pros, these are the cons, these are the challenges, you may want to consider it that, okay, it's something I can even start. So when you go through module 6, you will know whether a real estate agency company is for you, and I can tell you it's possible, it is for you. Then module 7 will be looking at real estate affiliate marketing. Real estate affiliate marketing. What does this really mean? Does affiliate marketing even apply to real estate at all? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. And you can also learn that. Module 8, we'll be talking about financial stability and financial freedom. You may ask, what does financial stability and financial freedom has to do with real estate? It has a whole lot to do, because financial intelligence majorly has to do with making money, managing money, and multiplying money. And the truth of the matter is, you need to know, okay, how do I become financially stable? How do I become financially free? Financial stability and financial freedom is something you can attain, is a level you can attain through real estate. And we'll be looking at that as well. So, tighten your seatbelts as we go into it now. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.